Welcome to my smart home. On our Smart Home YouTube channel, you will discover the most practical ways to bring technology to your home and master all the intricacies of home automation systems. Get ready to build a smarter home every day with tips, detailed reviews, and brand new technologies that will make your life easier. Controlling your Vizio TV with Alexa allows you to manage your TV more easily and hands-free. First, check if your Vizio TV is compatible with Alexa. Most Vizio SmartCast TVs support Alexa, so ensure your TV has SmartCast technology. If your TV is compatible, you'll need both the Amazon Alexa app and the Vizio SmartCast app to integrate your Vizio TV with Alexa. Start by downloading the Vizio SmartCast app to your phone and adding your TV through the app. Once your TV is connected to the Wi-Fi network, open the Amazon Alexa app and enable the Vizio SmartCast skill. At this stage, you'll need to link your Vizio account with your Amazon Alexa account. After the connection is successfully established, ask Alexa to discover devices to have it detect your Vizio TV. Once Alexa finds your TV, you can control it using voice commands like turning the TV on or off, adjusting the volume, and switching inputs. For instance, you can say, "Alexa, turn on the TV," "Alexa, increase the volume," or "Alexa, switch to HDMI 1." With this integration, you can control your TV remotely with voice commands, enhancing your smart home experience. If you liked our video, leave a comment below about which device you would like to see controlled. We will quickly shoot and share a new video specific to that device. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for similar content. You will both support us and be instantly informed about our new videos. We look forward to your comments and subscriptions.